everyone! You would never believe this happened if it wasn't caught on camera. Before watching this video, I also thought the same, but after watching it, my perspective completely changed. Now, let's get to today's video. Let's go! Welcome to Hell Mountain, one of the highest mountain resorts in France. The annual mountain bike race held here features over 1,000 participants. It looks crazy, but no, it's actually the passion of the athletes. Oh my gosh, look at them falling! I think we should rename it to the Hell Race. Next, let's head to southern Alaska. This is Spencer, where a massive glacier extends into the forest and ends at Spencer Lake. Here, you can kayak and camp in a designated area, but you have to register in advance. Perhaps the most unique location in Alaska in August was when William and some friends started a kayaking adventure on the river. They wanted to get a close look at the glacier, ignoring many warnings about its danger. Suddenly, an ice chunk fell, causing William to jump in shock and get soaked in cold water. Next, let's visit a small settlement in southern Alaska, where only around 200 people live. Did you know this place is near a big city, yet it looks like something out of a fairy tale with its wild and ancient charm? Explore a 2-hour journey on snow-covered roads. This place isn't for everyone, full of dangers. While resting, the camera on one guy's helmet accidentally captured an avalanche on the other side of the hill, forcing the two guys to run away quickly. I was quite surprised by the railway network in Canada. Look at its grandeur, spanning across a long river, and it looks like it's been there for hundreds of years. If you find this house cute, leave a comment below. Perhaps frequent storms have caused these red crabs to become more active on the streets. This makes me a bit scared because there are so many of them, millions of crabs. It seems like they've taken over every road on Earth. A severe winter storm has covered the entire town with a thick layer of snow. A local named Richard was on vacation when he found himself near a railway, where a train similar to the Polar Express was passing through. He quickly captured the moment the train plowed through the snow, creating a snow tsunami. Oh my gosh, I think we should praise the driver because if it were me, I wouldn't know where I was going, as everything would be completely white. If you're tired of seeing snow, let's head to a tropical country, Thailand, the land of 1,000 temples. A construction crane fell onto a sacred temple, resulting in the temple's complete collapse. These workers used hammers to demolish a house, resulting in the house collapsing and damaging the machinery. Fortunately, those inside escaped unharmed. Look at him, so bewildered. Oh my gosh, it's so sad that the house was crushed by a falling tree.
But that was not good at all.
This mountain suddenly exploded due to some mysterious energy inside, without any human intervention. The phenomenon of thousands of birds suddenly plunging from the sky onto the streets in Mexico. Can someone explain to me what happened? His house suddenly exploded, with bricks starting to crack, leaving him in shock and unable to understand what was happening. What do you think about the video? Please leave your comments below. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on notifications to get the latest videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.